Administrator of St. Bernard's, and we want to thank you for joining us this evening. Mr. Barber just shared with you the vision of our new St. Bernard's Health and Wellness Institute, and I'd like to give you a brief summary of our programs and services that are available within our center. This truly is an amazing facility, one with programs and services that represent a new approach to health and wellness in Northeast Arkansas. We have set up a medically based program in the Wellness Fitness Center that many of you have already toured this evening. One which calls for each member to undergo a comprehensive health assessment. After that assessment, our specially trained staff develops a personalized exercise prescription for each member. Now you notice that I use the word prescription, and I use that word for a reason. Because studies show that exercise is medicine for many conditions and diseases. And we have assembled here a specially trained and credentialed staff with expertise to help members set realistic goals for moving toward better health. We've specifically built a center for those who have never exercised before that may need some special attention in getting started. If I told you we have the finest wellness center you will find anywhere in this region, that would be such an understatement. And I've already heard many comments this evening that share our joy in what we have before us. What you're going to see tonight is actually what I would call awesome. And if you talk to my 5-year-old, he would tell you it is totally awesome. And I think that we have an exceptional facility before us. At the core of this institute, we have some of the finest equipment that you'll find on the market today, with special areas for cardio, strength training, group classes, spin classes, a Pilates studio, aquatics, and more. I could spend 10 minutes sharing with you all the programs and services that we're going to offer in our center. But you know, we didn't stop there. We also have located numerous clinical departments within the Institute that actually promote healthy lifestyle choices. And we even have integrated a physician office space into the building with the offices of Jonesboro Orthopedic and Sports Medicine located on the second level. The medical integration means we not only teach the importance of making good health and wellness choices, but we also provide tools people need to make better lifestyle choices. For example, we stress the value of exercise for our Center for Weight Loss and Diabetes Management patients. And we do that within a facility that gives them wide-ranging exercise options. We actually see this new Health and Wellness Institute, its programs, its services, and its staff as a resource that will help our entire community move toward optimal wellness in each stage of life. Tonight you are truly seeing a new era of wellness within our region, the state, and the nation as a whole. 4 years ago, we had just a vision of what you're seeing tonight. Through a partnership with our physicians at Jonesboro Orthopedic and Sports Medicine, several years ago we took a trip to Chicago. And from that day forward, we embarked on a journey that led us to where we are tonight. Throughout that journey, some specific individuals directed and guided us to develop the center that you see tonight. And at this time, I would like to recognize each of them. I ask that you hold your applause till I introduce all of them. With Alter Care this evening, we have John Driscoll, who is the President and CEO, Donna Jarmus, and Jeff Newkirk. Alter Care were our consultants that helped in the design of this facility. Donna Jarmus 4 years ago stood in our conference room and gave us a presentation on what we could have tonight. And she did a great sales job because she sold us that evening on this concept. So we thank them and we thank Donna for all of her hard work. I will also say that they made a generous donation for our kids club and the development of our outdoor playground that's not in place just yet, but we're proud that they're a part of the team that helped bring this together. Jonesboro Orthopedics and Sports Medicine Clinic with Drs. Dixon, Gwynn, and Swim. Olson Lavoie Architectural Collaborative, our lead architects with Hervé Lavoie here tonight. Brackett and Crenrich Architectural Firm. Jerry Brackett, George Crenrich, and Kyle Cook was the main architect on the project. Napholz Construction, Greg Hageman, President, South Central Operations. Clay Gordon, Executive Vice President. Andrew Adlock, Manager of the Jonesboro operation. And a very, very important person, Clyde Hitchcock, who was the project superintendent of this entire project. Clyde and I and all of our staff have become close friends. Sound Concepts, Ryan Herringer and his team. Bennett's Landscaping, Marty Bennett and his team. Sharp Office Supply, Jeff Johnson and his team. Interior Design Plus, Carrie Phelps and Joan Walker. True Visionary Marketing for everything that they did leading up to our opening. U.S. Foods, who provided all of the food this evening and helped us in the design of our cafe. And the St. Bernard's Auxiliary, who graciously donated our cardiac rehab equipment located on the second floor. Let's thank them all for the partnership in creating this wonderful facility. Recognize three special people that made this a reality. The first I'd like to recognize is Jill Weeks, who is our Vice President of Patient Services. Because of Jill, every little detail you see tonight is the way it is. She's overseeing the operations of this facility, and every single day she walks through and she finds new little details that we need to put in place to reach out to
Speaking
lights. To reach out. Okay, Clyde, where are you, Clyde? To reach out to our community. So without Jill, we would not have what we have tonight. Second, I would like to thank Mr. Jimmy Cooper, who is our Vice President at St. Bernard's, who oversaw the construction of this entire center. And last, you will meet him in a second, is Norm Judd, who is our Director of the Health and Wellness Institute. Norm actually brought together the exceptional leadership team that he's going to introduce here in a moment. So please congratulate all three of these individuals for the job that they've done. At this time, I'd like to turn it over to one of our partners in this venture, and that's Jonesboro Orthopedic and Sports Medicine. And representing them tonight is Dr. Spencer.